Hello, in front of me I have Huawei Y5p and I'm gonna show you how to insert the SIM card and SD card into this device. Let's start by locking our screen by pressing the power button. Now we can pick up our phone and find the SD card and SIM card tray, which is here on this side. And as you can see, there is a small hole on it, and we can use it to open it. To do that, we need some kind of pin or pin-like tool. And we need to take it and insert it into this hole right here. Then push it in. The tray will pop out. We can then take it out. Let's leave our phone here. Take our tray. And as you can see, we have two SIM card slots and one SD card slot. So let's take our SD card first. Oh, my bad. Come here. Our SD card, and we need to just place it on the tray like this. It fits only one way, so you will know how. And we need to take our SIM card right here, and again place it on a tray like that, and it also fits only one way. Once you place them on the tray, you can insert it into your phone. Remember that the front of the SD card and SIM card should be facing the screen like this, and we can just slide it in. Let's take our phone right here, unlock it, and as you can see, the SIM card is working because we need to enter the pin, so let's do it. And the language changed, of course, because we insert the SIM card. And as you can see also right here, the SD card is working as well. And that's how you insert the SIM card and SD card into this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, remember to subscribe to our channel and leave the like on the video.